Was she the victim of his parking lot road rage?
She said someone hit your car. Someone just, hit it with their fist.
The witness claims you punched the car.
I did not hit that car. I yelled, "Who's the idiot that's parked in this spot out?"
Tony Williams is in court suing Richard Rutledge for $675.
Tell me about the damage to your car and where did this happen?
Okay, basically, Your Honor, on December 16th, 2005, I pulled up into a plaza to go in to pick up a consignment check. So after circling the parking lot for a while, not finding a parking space, I thought it would be okay just to pull up to the front of the store. Right. I go in to the store. There's one person in front of me. I'm waiting. This whole process may have taken about 5 minutes. This lady walks in and asks me, was that my car outside? She said someone, and I said yes.
Okay, so let me just, before you get to the lady, your car was parked illegally.
Yes. Basically, she asked me, was that my car outside? And I told her, yes, it was. She said, someone hit your car. And so she says, no, someone just, hit it with their fist on your driver's door. We go out to the car, and true enough, there's a dent on my driver's door. She said that he's all beet red and everything and enraged and upset,
Okay, you weren't a witness to this, though, right?
No. I'm just speaking right now what my witness,
Okay. And how did you find out that
well,
he was the one?
My witness took down his license plate number for me.
All right, Mr. Rutledge, what is your version of what happened?
Your Honor, my family was out that afternoon, and I had my 82-year-old mother with us, and she's crippled. So we parked in a handicap spot, and she stayed in the car. She decided she didn't want to try to get out. It was a pretty tight parking spot to begin with, cars on either side of us. When we came back out, there was a car parked in the handicap spot, which is right behind us. I tried several times to pull out of the spot, could not pull out, and went into the consignment shop. I asked, does anybody know whose car this is out there? Now, if she was in the back someplace and didn't hear me, that could be, I don't know.
Not true.
I yelled, I think my words were, who's the idiot that's parked in this spot out here?
You yelled that in the parking lot?
I yelled around to see if anybody was anywhere around that could hear it. No one was.
Lot.
And I got out and I thought, well, maybe there's a car alarm. Maybe if the car alarm went off, this person would show up. So I shook the back end of the car pretty good.
Shook the car from the back end?
From the back end, pretty good.
You must have been really mad.
I was a little upset, but I did not hit that car. My wife had to do a guided 75 to 80 point turnaround to get out of that spot.
A guided 75 to 80, what is that? She had to do a 7? All right, so then you come out, you see it, you call the police,
right?
And the police locate him because you have the plate, his plate numbers.
Exactly.
And then what happened?
Well, basically, after I filed the police report and, I filed suit and, basically wanted him to, I got an estimate on my door and just basically wanted him to.
You have an estimate? Is that the $675?
Well, the estimate is $75 was the court cost to file suit. And then it was $600 in damages. Have
you attempted to settle this, or not at all?
The first that I heard about it, Your Honor, was just before the court date was due.
Mr. Rutledge, you first tell me that you park in a handicap space because you have your handicapped mother with you.
Yes,
but she's there and she stays in the car. Those parking spaces, they're there for people who are handicapped themselves and are trying to access the mall. Not for you, who is going to leave your handicapped mother in the car. Then we got you going into the parking lot yelling, where's the idiot that's parked in the illegal parking spot? Never mind that you had also done something illegal, and your wife is able to get out of the car, and all you do is go and shake the back of her car to see if the alarm goes off. I'm not buying it. It doesn't make sense to me, Mr. Rutledge. I'm going to award you damages and $600 for the damages. Court costs is something you would have had to bear, I believe, anyway. I'm going to award you damages in the amount of $600. Judgment for plaintiff.
Thank you.